Check out this 1-minute design review for an ESP32 sensor board. This one comes to us from Sharuk Patel. We've got a cover page, we've got really nicely organized circuits. I notice here on the MCU, you just have a straight reset switch. That's fine as long as there's no debounce. We eventually get to the very last page, which is revision history. It's blank, this is the first release. We have 2 regulators that have isolation on either side of them. And what's interesting is that we have the 3v3 and the 5 both isolated to the same ground. These have galvanic isolation with respect to the input 5-volt rail, but not with respect to each other. We can see that the isolated ground and the system ground do interleave with each other for a little bit. Some of these lines actually are going to have really big loop inductances. Personally, when I have to deal with isolation like this, I prefer a 4-layer board. I would only be worried about those CAN interfaces receiving a bit of noise and then possibly putting that noise out onto a cable as common mode noise. Aside from those points, really not a lot to complain about in this board. Great job. You want to submit your design for review? Check out the link in the description or find me on LinkedIn.